Welcome to your new Florida home. Check out this beautiful open space, brand new flooring, move-in ready. And I'm going to walk you around this home and tell you about all the great features as we go through. But I want you to just really take it all in and appreciate all the extras that this property has. So we are in Beverly Hills, Florida, and this is Central Florida. So we have a really great proximity to a lot of wonderful attractions, which we'll talk about. But first I'm going to show you the bedroom side or wing of the home. Here's the guest bathroom. I'm sure noticing everything's been updated in this house. So you've got new vanities, new tub and shower, tile, the new flooring. We have two very nice sized bedrooms here. This is the guest bedroom. Plenty of extra space. You can see it fits a good size bed. You've got room for dressers and additional space as well if you have other items you want to put into the guest bedroom. Nice closet there. And then this is your primary suite. Huge. Lots and lots of space in this bedroom. The ceilings are high, so you don't feel like you're being stuffed into a small space with low ceilings. Beautifully tiled bathroom, again with a new vanity and a shower. This room, of course, has a walk-in closet, and it's well appointed with shelving and racks for hanging your clothes and being organized. You may be noticing through the window there, this is an oversized lot. There is parking area for extra things, toys. This particular owner has a boat, and the seller is willing to include the boat with a full price offer. It's a Bennington pontoon boat. We'll see that when we go outside. But you have plenty of space. You've got a covered area where you can keep boats and other things that you might have, additional vehicles, whatever it may be, covered and protected from some of the elements. So this is an eat-in area off of the kitchen. The additional room here could be used for many different things, but you can see it's set up to be a nice dining area. Lots of windows, a nice fan here and light in this room as well as in the dining room. And then this kitchen is updated with nice wood cabinets. We've got very tasteful gray tones, white tones in this house, stainless steel appliances, and lots of storage. So this is another little area where you could put a small table if you wanted to, but look at all these cabinets. It's a very well equipped kitchen, beautiful large sink. And then right here we have a laundry room with extra space, extra storage. You can never have too much storage, so this provides a really nice space to be able to just have things that you don't want to be seen inside of the house or looking at on the day-to-day. The garage is a 2-car. It is oversized, so you definitely can get 2 cars in here. And then you've got some extra storage, built-in workbench, storage closet there. There's attic space if you need it, and this additional service door on the side of the garage going outside. Now, I do want to mention that the roof was just replaced on this house in 2024, so you have a brand new roof, and the HVAC is only 4 years old from 2021. Also a newer water heater. So all of the big ticket items have been taken care of in addition to this remodel. Now this parcel is almost half an acre. It's essentially a double lot that you have with this property. 0.41 and a nice screened area off of the additional room there. And then you can see that we've got a beautiful deck. This is that Trex board, so it's a very durable board for this deck, not typical wood. It will last a long time. And nice canopy cover there. And then you have this fenced in area. So if you've got the pups, you've got an area here for them to be able to safely play and run around and do their thing. We've got a couple of gates on the front and the side here. And then this opens up to your additional space on your lot. And right there you can see that boat I was talking about. So because of our location here, it's very easy to get to Crystal River or Homosassa, which are great places to put a pontoon boat out on the water and enjoy nature, the manatees, fishing if you're a fisherman or fisherwoman. A lot of great things you can do out there on the water. We have an abundance of dolphins as well. I just adore dolphins, and so you take the boat out there and you get to see all these things. We are able to access the Gulf of Mexico from Crystal River and Homosassa, so you have great access to things. So if you want to make the full price offer and you'd like to have that boat, you got it. Front of the house here, I know you came in this way, but we've got this circular driveway, stately entrance with a nice porch and the columns, and again the brand new roof. So this is a really fantastic option, and again with the location, you are just a short commute to really good shopping, dining options, entertainment in Ocala. And then we also have the Suncoast Parkway expansion, which is in the works. It's already come closer to this property, but it's just a few miles from the ramp that is being completed as we speak. And so you can jump on that highway and get to Tampa very, very quickly. So there's a really good access to all of the things you might be interested in Florida, but being able to live in a quiet place where you enjoy nature, there's not a ton of traffic, it's very peaceful. So this particular community in Beverly Hills, most of the lots are smaller and the houses may not have all of these updates and extras that this house has. So if this sounds appealing to you, you really need to reach out to me as soon as possible. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty, and RES Luxury Group brings you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.